Hello everyone, in this lesson I'm going to show you how we can place a hatch with a specific measurement here in AutoCAD. For example, I want to place a 50 by 50 or 60 by 60 floor and so on. By default, AutoCAD has several hatches, but it doesn't have the specific measurement you want for your project. First of all, it's always important to draw the entire perimeter where you want the hatch with a polyline, and it's important that this perimeter is closed, okay? And how do we check that? I type the command PRO for properties and press enter. And then I'll have a list of items here. When I click on my perimeter, it's always a good idea to check the second to last item to see if closed is set to yes. If it's not, just change it to yes. If it's set to no, change it to yes. This is a way for AutoCAD to make sure that the entire perimeter is actually closed, which will then make our hatch easier to create. I can press escape here with nothing selected. I'll type H, which is the shortcut for hatch, and press enter. Uh, Even before selecting my perimeter, I'm going to click in this corner and a window will appear, a new tools tab at the top, the hatches tab. There's a little button here that I'm going to click. I'll scroll all the way down and here we'll have the user option. Okay, so let's click on it. In this option, we are going to enter the measurement I want for my hatch in this field. So I'm going to enter, for example, 0.6, okay? It's also important to double this. So let's click here on properties and go to double, okay? Just click it. And then you just have to click again here on our hatch, okay? So it's already configured. We can come here to select and click on the desired perimeter, enter. So there we'll have our desired hatch, okay? However, I can't measure it because by default, if I type DI, enter, it doesn't have the snaps here, the anchor points to be able to measure and check if this hatch is correct. So we're going to change another setting here in AutoCAD by typing OP for options and press enter. We'll have several options here. We're going to go to the drafting tab, okay, which is an option here in AutoCAD. By default, it might be on the first one. So let's go through the tabs. Let's go here to the drafting option. And then we're going to uncheck this item here. See, ignore hatch objects. So we turn it off and click OK. When I type DI, enter, which is the AutoCAD shortcut for measuring, I'll already have the anchor points and I can check here that it is 60. And to finish, we always think about a floor tiling layout, which is very important in architecture projects, where I place the first piece here of my floor or my covering. So just click on the hatch again. We'll have the option here to set the origin. Let's click on it. And you can move closer to the desired corner and the initial tile will be in that corner. So I hope you liked it. So we'll see you in the next lessons. Remember that we have our AutoCAD course, which is really great, and it will be here in the description. Thank you very much.